All right, Jason, we were talking about those storms at the top of the hour, but looks like they've mainly cleared out and some sun's on the way.
Yeah, torrential downpours all gone, 5-6 inches of rain. And tomorrow the sun will come out almost everywhere. I want to point out that a place like down east along the coast, our friends down east, going to have a real tough time along the immediate coastline, but it's not all doom and gloom. The rain ends, the runoff continues tonight. Dense fog is going to hold tough through tomorrow morning with 4th of July weekend starting, sun and clouds to start the weekend, and some showers on the end. Temperatures currently look at just the south wind continues to dominate. So all of the moisture, you can feel the humidity, temperatures in the 60s and 50s in Calais, and satellite and radar finally calming down. All of the severe weather over, the training of the thunderstorms, except mostly up in the county. But I mean, look at this, nearly 24 reports of local issues. A lot of these are roads that were completely washed out or closed here from New Sharon all the way down to Jay, and the estimation by radar of 6 inches. And that was a very good estimate because it turned out more than 5 inches was measured. Now the shower activity fades away with a stationary kind of boundary called a surface trough. This is a fancy word for a weakness in the atmosphere. What's going to be left is the fog. That's a big story tonight into tomorrow with all this moisture in the air. The dew points are well in the 60s where you see the orange shade, so just about everywhere is seeing it. But the big story is the fog here. As you see into tonight, let me get my big head out of the way. There you go. Through Friday, by the middle of the day and afternoon, it's gone, except here, our friends back to Eastport, all the way to Bar Harbor. You have a very small window to see sun tomorrow along the immediate coastline. So don't have high hopes for that. And that's what the model is picking up here. It's picking up just the moisture coming in, and that's what is happening here. That's why you see 50s during the morning along the immediate coastline there of down east. But everyone else gets pretty much sun. You got to watch out Penobscot in the Bay there. Now, a lot of sun Friday afternoon, except over towards Washington County, and then the clouds roll in Friday night, and so does the fog again. We're pretty used to that around here. So Friday, though, most of the state looks good, mostly. How about the seas at 4 feet tomorrow? Wind southeast 5 to 10 knots. Water temp is not ideal, but it's getting better for end of June. And the forecast the next 3 days, walk you through it. Tomorrow is definitely the best day of the next several. If you count that as the holiday weekend, if you're taking it off, do that. Saturday is 68 to 76. Sun and clouds, also not a bad day. Sunday, a few showers, also not a bad day, especially what we've been through here. So you're going to see a 7-day forecast. It gets warmer next week, but then the rain does come back. So I would say for tomorrow, enjoy the sun, the clouds, same thing on Saturday. A few sprinkles Saturday or Sunday or both. It's not that big of a deal. The point I want to get across, Zach, is that even though we're going to have some showers this weekend, for a holiday weekend, it's not great, but you can still do things outside.
Yes, squeeze a beach day in.
Yeah, you're not stuck inside. Get out there and enjoy it. It's a great time to be in Maine.
Thanks, Jason.